Welcome to Making Gods of India, the Maker channel inspired by Hindu mythology. In today's special video, we are going to 3D print the Ayodhya Ram Temple. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel for more. This beautiful 3D model of the Ayodhya Ram Temple has been specially designed by our designers to be 3D printable without any supports. That's an incredible feat of design. The model is designed ensuring all overhangs are less than 45 degrees and the proportions make it convenient to print the whole model in one shot. You can download this model for free from our pages on Thingiverse, Cults 3D, and Prusa printers. Check out the links in the description below. Simply drop the model to the print bed, scale to fit, slice the file. Make sure bridging is enabled and automatic support structure generation is off for your 3D printer. While we are at it, let's also slice the flag. It prints with no support if you flip it. Use your slicer software to scan through the model to make sure all parts are connected and none of the parts are printing in air. This gives you an X-ray view of the whole temple, even parts that will be covered up after printing. That's it. Let's start printing. According to the slicer, the print will take 18 hours to complete. Here's a cool time lapse of the print. Wow, check it out. This is after an 18-hour marathon print without any support structures. It looks amazing. Okay, we're fixing the flags now. This is the best part, don't you think? We also split the model up into parts and printed them in a bigger size. Parts can easily be assembled together with some super glue to create a bigger model. are both the temples side by side. Check out the details on both the models. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more.